Log one, take five.
Hi there. Take a guess and sorry, cut. Hi there. Take a second and guess the industry that's going to hit $5 trillion in 2021. It's e-commerce. Surprised? Well, it's not that crazy. When was the last time you actually went out to buy anything? Fridge, TV, laptop, or even a bottle of shampoo? I'm Abhisarika. You can call me Abby. I run a Shopify agency called Klock out of Bangalore. We have helped hundreds of businesses all around the world sell online and run high-performing stores since 2014. We create seamless Shopify experiences for them, and so can you. In today's world, e-commerce is becoming the norm, and every retailer needs a reliable online platform for their business. In this course, we're going to equip you for just that. Everything you need to know to start building successful Shopify stores for your clients. We're going to start with the basics of e-commerce, go over branding and marketing fundamentals, introduce you to Shopify's amazing partner program and its benefits, and take you through building a Shopify store from scratch. You're going to understand store payments, shipping, app integrations, marketing, analytics, and a lot more. Everything you need to know. How do we know what you need to know? Because we teamed up with Shopify for this course. Trust me, you'll get your return on investment in no time. Not only will you get paid by merchants for helping them sell online, you will also get rewarded by Shopify for onboarding new customers. So what are you waiting for? Your journey to becoming a financially independent entrepreneur is about to begin. Let's get started.